Hi there, and welcome to the Project Management Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive approach to project management. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with Stage 1, Initiate. And here your first step is to build a business case, and then conduct a feasibility study. In step number 3, we're going to move into identifying and analyzing stakeholders, and then creating a project charter at the end of Stage 1. Then in Stage 2, it's all about planning. And here, the first step is to identify goals and objectives, and then document key success factors. You're going to define a work breakdown structure, build your project team, create a project schedule, assemble a project budget, build a risk management plan, create a change management plan, finalize a communications plan, outline the procurement plan, create a quality management plan, obtain project approval, and then ultimately finalize that project plan. In Stage 3, it's about executing. And here, your first step is to log the project's issues. Then you're going to formalize project change requests, moving into creating a high-level status report and standardizing deliverable approval. In Stage 4, we focus on control. And here, the first step is to control the project schedule. Then we move into controlling the project budget. Then the project scope, the control quality, and ultimately, the control risks. In our last and final stage, stage number 5, we move into closing the project. And here, the first step is the project acceptance document. Then we move into post-project evaluation, a lessons learned knowledge base, and project closure checklist. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Project Management Framework. Succeed with project management by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.